Okay, today we are talking about circles. More specifically, we're talking about parts of a circle. There really aren't many types of circles, like we've been talking about types of triangles and types of quadrilaterals. Circles are just going to be circles. They're that round shape, but they do have parts that are different. All circles have all of these parts. Their measurements can just vary from circle to circle. So I'm going to start off with the first one, which you guys will probably know. We have our middle section right here. This is like the center of your circle. We call the measurement, or a line segment that connects from the center to any point on the outside line, we call that the radius of a circle. Moving around clockwise here, this outside part here, this outside part of the circle that connects 2 points on the outside of a circle is called an arc. Kind of looks like it's arcing around. The next one is kind of like the radius, except for it's a little bit different. It's a line segment that passes through the center, has to pass through this middle, that connects 2 points on the outside of the circle, and we're going to call that a diameter. And in parentheses, we're going to put equal to radius times 2. So a radius, since it's only from the center to one side, is half the distance of a diameter. Like if I went all the way across the same, radius is all going to be equal to each other. So the diameter is twice the amount of a radius. A diameter is slightly different from the next one, which is called a chord. A chord is when you have a line going from one endpoint to another on a circle, but it does not pass through this middle line. Our next part is going to be a region between two radii and an arc. So like this blacked in region right here. That's going to be called a sector, kind of like a part of a circle, or a slice of the circle. And then here, an angle whose vertex is the center. I don't know if you can tell, but this is actually an O right here. So we have angle LOM. So since O is the middle, we know O is the vertex, is called a central angle, which if you think about it makes sense because it is in the center. Today's homework is pretty easy. I gave you 6 definitions. All you're working on is matching which part of the circle you see down here. You do not start on the back of this worksheet, just do those 6 problems. Have a good night.